Namaskaram. In response to the KV Sonnet Challenge, and because I've danced to poignant verses of Kunwar Viyogi, I was happy to know that he has also written in English as prolifically as in dogri. There was something about this piece, the hurt, that resonated with me the most. So here goes. It hurts. It hurts and sorely tortures me. Whenever bitter truth this message sends, when we account for world's inconsistency. The list is headed by the names of friends. Strangers have no power to create life. The island of privilege is plot. They cannot hurt us deeply or placate the deepest injuries of the heart. To count them out of life is easy, but what pains us gravely gets under the skin, and what amounts to an unkindest cut is torment gifted by our kith and kin. Where love is deepest, hurt can deepest be. For to our hearts, the strangers have no key.